Okay, so let's have a look at part 4 for our ratio analysis for 2021 for Fauci PLC, and it's looking at your dividend cover. So your formula for your dividend cover is your net profit after tax and preference dividend divided by your ordinary dividends. So this indicates the amount of earnings, profit are being retained by the business. Retained earnings help to increase share value. Shareholders like to see it high dividend cover because it shows the risk to dividend if profits decrease. So kind of just looks at how much the company can cover the dividends in the business itself. So we said that your dividend cover is your net profit take away preference dividends divided by ordinary dividend. Now we know from the question that our net profit is 39,000. We've calculated previously that your dividends 9,000 for preference dividends is 9% of 10,000 or 100,000, which is 9,000. So your ordinary dividends is 13,000 minus 9,000. So your dividends paid was 13,000. That's taken straight from this question here, 13,000. Remember, dividends paid is made up of ordinary dividends and preference dividends. So we're looking for the ordinary dividends for this question here. So your preference dividends that we paid, which is 9,000, that's taken from our preference down here, 9% of 100,000. That's going to give you 9,000. So we know if we've paid 13,000, 9,000 of the 13,000 is for preference dividends. So the difference then, when you take 9,000 away from 13,000, that's going to be 4,000. So that's your ordinary dividends. So now we can fill in this formula. Your net profit is 39,000. So we've identified that already up here. So your net profit is 39,000. From that then, we're going to take away your preference dividends, which is 9,000. And we're going to divide that then by your ordinary dividends, which is 4,000. And we calculate that just over here. So 30,000 divided by 4,000, or 4,000 divided by 30,000 gives you 7.5 times. So remember, these are really, really important. So you have to write in times, percentages, euros, whatever it is. Your dividend cover is how many times we can cover the dividend. So we can cover it 7.5 times from this question. So remember, your dividend cover is your net profit minus your preference dividends divided by your ordinary dividends. We need to calculate what our preference dividends are and our ordinary dividends. So your dividends paid 13,000. That's taken from the profit and loss account in the question. Your preference dividend is calculated by find out what's the rate of our preference dividends in the balance sheet. So it's 9% of 100,000. It's multiplied together gives you 9,000. So the difference between 9,000 and 13,000 is 4,000. That's your ordinary dividends. And then we use these figures then and just fill in the formula. Your net profit 39,000 minus your preference dividends of 9,000 divided by ordinary dividends of 4,000. So 30,000 divided by 4 gives you 7.5 times. And that's how to calculate your dividend cover.